Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys techno phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Talkback full setting guys. I am going to show you in this video what is Talkback, how to use, how to on and off Talkback in techno phone. So don't skip the video guys, and if you're in my channel so friend, please go and subscribe the channel and like the video. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, how to on Talkback. Friends, open your phone. Accessibility settings. So where is accessibility setting guys? Click on first of all special function. And friends, now you can find your accessibility last option. Click here. Friends, you can see accessibility menu, high translate, select to speak, switch, SS. So friends, you will have to click on Talkback. So when Talkback is here, how to on guys? Click on use Talkback and guys allow from here. Talkback will on guys. And how to use Talkback? So friends, you can use it with double tap, one tap back button and double tap guys, one tap and double tap. So at Talkback, a person guys who is blind guys, they cannot see properly guys, they use Talkback. How friends, they want to on settings, so guys they swipe on like screen like and get they click, they listen guys setting sound. So guys they double tap on setting to on setting, and guys with two finger you can use your Talkback setting. Friends, you can see two finger easily guys we can use Talkback setting. One finger guys you cannot use Talkback guys. You can see screen will not increase, oh, sorry guys, screen will not swipe, we cannot swipe. So by two finger, use your two finger to swipe down and up. So by one tap and double tap to back. You want to close app, so double tap and two finger you can close app. One finger guys you can see we cannot close app. Two finger you can close app. Guys, now let's talk about Talkback off. So we will on setting again. Setting option, one tap and guys double tap. Use your two finger again guys. Special function setting है direct guys, you can tap with your two finger, but guys continue. Then guys click on accessibility with two tap, continue. Talk back, double tap, yes, double tap here, stop talk back. So guys your talk back will off, and hence you can use your phone without talk back. So like that we can on and use talk back setting, and guys you want to off, so guys you can off also. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use Talkback in Techno Mobile. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.